Okay, Daddy's recording you guys. What do you got there?
A truck.
You got a truck?
Yeah.
You guys gonna drive your truck?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Hit Mommy's car. Okay, I mean don't hit Mommy's car. Looks like you got steering down, buddy.
My turn, Caleb.
You gonna put it in reverse?
My turn, Caleb.
Oh my God.
That's okay.
Oh no.
You're gonna run over the plants too. See you guys later.
I'm guessing they like it.
Go ahead, buddy. You can run it into the grass if you want. You can drive it into the grass if you want over here. Uh-oh. Does that thing have four-wheel drive? I don't think you're going to get it out of there. Put it in reverse and see if you can do it the other way.
Stop it, Jordan. It's not yours. Turn.
Okay, now turn it to the left. Turn it that way.
Caleb's like a pro at it.
Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead. It'll go. Okay, I lied.
It looks like Daddy with the U-Haul truck.
Oh, that's real nice. You're right, though. That is exactly what happened to me.
I can't get it out, Daddy.
Okay, hold on. We'll help you in a second. Okay, you guys look up at the camera and wave. Say bye.